I know we should use the color there now. You know no other color to eat.
It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yes, see those.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. Right now I'm actually in a rush to head out the door because I'm late, and as you see from the title, we're gonna be going to the church and decorating, and I'm late because I was washing my hair, so don't mind the head because yeah, I just finished dry it. So we're gonna go over to the church now. Nope. Hi. Ow.
Alright?
Hi. 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 Hi, Shan.
Hey.
Yes, guys, welcome to the church. Okay. So, people, we have decorations galore. Girl, yeah, mash up it focus on
Shakay, Chad have one girlfriend, you know?
No.
Alright.
Chad, what's your name? I want to hear why these people are got church with pastor. I can't manage. I can't manage these people's.
Taylor is finally here.
Hi, Delano.
People, work with on.
Hey, Delano.
We need to set these benches back.
Hey,
together.
Delano.
So it is
So I'm going like him shy.
take all them in two
Yeah.
sticks together, then two together, then one, then two.
Taylor's
together.
here.
Watch him.
Hi, Punk.
Watch him. One, then two together. One, then two together. It must look social distance. So
This one, then them 2 years stick together.
And twist, guys. I'm gonna put it here for now. That's a kind of dark.
Taylor, please move that thing over here.
Trying to find y'all a spot.
Hey! I know it's every day and I please do. You must try it though. It's okay, what go on? You know it's every day and I vlog you though. You know, there, I go. Okay, just like that. No,
Move your rear from behind the boy rear no.
okay, I'm cute now. Eh?
Yeah.
Just like that. You know, I can record.
If the record.
No.
See we go record and see time in a go on.
It's time, I think time to move.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we'll put the tree on this table. Because the tree is small.
On this table it is.
What? Anyways, on the table because the tree is small. The big tree we had last year is kind of falling. It's having some issues. So we gonna stay here.
You know, let's put your vlog.
And I'll put a vlog.
Now let's put your vlog. Now let's put your vlog. Now let's put your vlog. Now let's put your vlog. You know.
place, guys. Ugly girl in the place. Right back home. I'm back home, guys.
It's pretty.
Right. No. It just looks too much.
That's just right.
More red should that be? This should that be red?
No more. Wait, we have. What in there? Go find the red. Wow. Where red one then? So you let me I use green. Sure, go find the red one.
Wow. Shake out. That's why you see better than you.
I don't be an edit the video.
You want to see me? Yo, me here low now. When I used to me like this is it. Me here now on the taller. Is it?
Stole what? I did not steal it.
You can't do them, yeah. Cause me really want to sleep when you paper like yeah, I just want to boom. Come to the purple put something up at top and this down up at top.
Me know we should use the color there now. You know no other color for it. For this color.
It look nice.
I star.
It actually look nice.
You see me so we should use this as green.
Too much white, too much green on it. Alright.
It's not bad. It's not bad at all.
AJ, what going?
No cry.
You good fam?
This youth come when all of the work done, and I can't tell me why. So I'm gonna sweep, and Nash and Chad doing a lovely job at the back there, you know. Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I kind of got home late. Well, we never really take that long. We got home around like after 7 or 8, right Chan? Yeah, thereabouts. And then I did some work, so I didn't show that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Today's subscriber of the day goes to Tash Grant. Thanks so much for subscribing and commenting on my video. It means a lot. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment something down below,
subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
There's no way to time.